With a little planning and preparation, you can make sure your home stays warm and toasty all season long. Here's what you'll need. Heavy snow or ice can cause power outages, so keep at least one non-electrical heating source on hand. Heaters may use natural gas, kerosene, or propane. If using a heater inside, make sure it is rated for indoor use. If you have a fireplace, stay stocked up on firewood. You'll want to keep it at least 30 feet from your home and off the ground so it stays dry and pest-free. Next, keep an eye out for exterior issues that could let cold air and moisture into the home. Check the roof and clear the gutters of leaves and branches. Tighten up any loose handrails. And address any safety issues with steps and walkways. Always remove any standing water that can freeze and cause someone to slip and fall. Now is also the perfect time to inspect your furnace for leaks, test for carbon monoxide, and change the air filter. Installing a programmable thermostat can also help curb high heating bills during the coldest months of the year. Next, address any drafty areas in the home. Seal around windows and doors with weather stripping. Caulk around baseboards and crown molding if drafts are detected. And consider replacing old door seals and door sweeps to keep the warm air in and cold air out. Set ceiling fans on low and in a clockwise rotation to force warm air near the ceiling down into the room. And make sure your attic and basement have enough insulation to help counteract heat loss. Outside, place insulation covers on any exposed pipes. And finally, if severe winter weather is in the forecast, pull together an emergency kit in case of a power outage. Include a 3-day supply of the following for each member of your household. And don't forget about pet supplies. Have enough food on hand for their needs as well. Finally, throw in a few fun activities or games to help pass the time and keep everyone relaxed. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.